With FPOS Group's Future POS system, you can easily split items, checks, and seats. This is all done with a few button pushes. If you've ever served a large party and you wait till the end to split your items, it can be a pain. With Future POS, we can do it with a breeze. Let's take a look at this check. There are 2 couples and 1 person on this check. They all got entrees and desserts. They want to split the appetizer and Dom Perignon. First, let's split the check. This will bring up a screen where I can press and move items over into separate seats. Now I can move over items into their appropriate seats. Now when I split the appetizer and Dom Perignon's cost, you will see just how easy it is to split the item's cost. Now I can split the seats into new checks. With FPOS Group and Future POS, you no longer have to spend time struggling to split items, tickets, or checks. FPOS Group and Future POS save you time and put money back in your pocket.